The future of SEO. What's coming in 2025? Big SEO changes are coming in 2025. Are you ready for Google's AI-powered evolution? In this video, we're diving deep into the future of SEO, breaking down the biggest changes headed our way in 2025 and beyond. We'll explore how Google's AI advancements, like the game-changing Gemini model, will reshape search results as we know them. Think optimizing for voice search, crafting content that satisfies Google's EEAT guidelines, and even making your website an eco-friendly champion. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get you future-proofed. Alright, let's talk about Gemini. This isn't your horoscope, folks. This is Google's next-level AI model, and it's about to change the SEO game in a major way. Gemini is designed to understand and categorize content with a level of sophistication we haven't seen before. Imagine an AI that can actually read your content, grasp the nuances of language, and connect the dots between different pieces of information. That's Gemini. And it's not just about understanding words on a page. This AI powerhouse is built to tackle complex queries, the kind that leave traditional search engines scratching their heads. Think about those long-tail searches, the ones where people are really trying to dig deep and find something specific. Gemini is designed to deliver hyper-relevant results even for the most intricate questions. So, how do you optimize for an AI that's practically psychic? Well, it starts with structured data. Use schema markup to label your content, telling Google exactly what it's looking at. Whether it's a product page, a blog post, or a local business listing, structured data helps Gemini connect the dots faster and deliver your content to the right audience. By focusing on structured data, user intent, and voice search optimization, you'll be well positioned to thrive in the age of Gemini. Let's talk about a little SEO truth bomb. Google's goal isn't always to send you traffic. Google is in the business of providing answers, and sometimes those answers can be delivered right there on the search results page. That's where AI overviews and zero-click searches come in. Imagine this. You search for something, and instead of a traditional list of links, you see a concise summary at the top of the page answering your question directly. That's an AI overview, and it's becoming increasingly common. These overviews are generated by Google's AI, which pulls information from various sources to provide a quick and accurate answer. Now you might be thinking, well, that's great for users, but what about my website traffic? And it's a valid concern. Zero-click searches, where users get their answers without clicking on any links, are on the rise. Instead of focusing solely on driving clicks, we need to optimize for visibility within those AI overviews. How do you do that? First, focus on optimizing your content for rich snippets. By structuring your data properly and using schema markup, you increase your chances of snagging a coveted spot in those rich snippets, even if users don't click through to your website. Google pays attention to how users interact with search results. Remember, in the age of AI overviews, it's not just about getting clicks, it's about owning that valuable real estate at the top of the search results page. Alright, let's talk about content. But not just any content, we're talking about the kind of content that makes Google weak in the knees. The kind of content that screams authority, expertise, and trustworthiness. Why? Because in the world of SEO, EEAT is king. EEAT stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. And it's Google's way of separating the digital wheat from the chaff. See, Google's AI is getting smarter, and it's not just looking for keyword-stuffed articles anymore. It wants to see content that's been crafted by humans, for humans. Content that provides real value, insights, and perspectives that you won't find anywhere else. So how do you create content that checks all the EEAT boxes? First and foremost, ditch the fluff. Focus on providing unique insights, data-driven analysis, and actionable advice that your audience can actually use. Think about what you bring to the table that no one else does. What's your unique perspective? What are your areas of expertise? Let those strengths shine through in your content. Second, don't be afraid to showcase your personality. People connect with people, not robots. This authenticity builds trust and credibility, two essential ingredients in the EEAT recipe. Hey, local businesses, this one's for you. Local SEO is about to get a whole lot more interesting and a whole lot more hyper-targeted. Why? Because Google is doubling down on proximity-based search results. When you're looking for a restaurant, a hair salon, or a plumber, you're not looking for the best option in the entire country, right? You're looking for the best option that's right around the corner. Google knows this, and they're constantly refining their algorithms to deliver the most relevant local results based on a user's location. So, how do you make sure your local business is showing up when it matters most? First and foremost, claim and optimize your Google My Business profile. This is your digital storefront, your business card in the online world. Make sure your Google My Business profile is complete, accurate, and up-to-date, including your business name, address, phone number, website, hours of operation, and customer reviews. And speaking of reviews, encourage your happy customers to leave glowing testimonials on your Google My Business profile. Reviews are social proof gold, and they can make a huge difference in local search rankings. Incorporate your city, neighborhood, or even specific landmarks into your website content, meta descriptions, and Google My Business profile. This helps Google understand where you're located and what geographic areas you serve. Remember, in the world of local SEO, proximity is key. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the future of search is about to get a whole lot more interactive. We're not just talking about typing in a query and scrolling through a list of links anymore. We're talking about AI-powered search experiences that are personalized, engaging, and dare I say fun. Google is constantly experimenting with new ways to deliver information, and AI is at the forefront of this innovation. We're seeing more interactive features like voice search, image search, and even augmented reality experiences popping up in search results. So, how do you optimize for a search landscape that's constantly evolving? First and foremost, prioritize mobile-first design. More people are using their smartphones and tablets to access the internet than ever before, and Google knows this. They've made it clear that mobile friendliness is a key ranking factor, so if your website isn't optimized for mobile devices, you're already behind the curve. Make sure your website is responsive, meaning it adapts seamlessly to different screen sizes, and that it loads quickly on mobile connections. Optimize your images, leverage browser caching, and consider using a content delivery network to speed up your website's performance. Remember, in the age of AI-driven search, it's not just about providing information, it's about creating an experience. Alright, let's talk about something that's near and dear to my heart: sustainability. Now, you might be thinking, what does sustainability have to do with SEO? And it's a valid question. But here's the thing. Everything we do online has an environmental impact. From the energy it takes to power our devices to the data centers that store our websites, the digital world has a carbon footprint. And as more people come online, that footprint is only going to get bigger. But here's the good news. We can all do our part to make our online activities more sustainable, and that includes SEO. So, how do you make your SEO strategy more eco-friendly? It starts with reducing your website's data load. Optimize your images by compressing them without sacrificing quality, and consider using lazy loading techniques to delay the loading of images until they're actually needed. By choosing a web hosting provider that uses renewable energy sources like solar or wind power, you can significantly reduce your website's environmental impact. Remember, sustainability is not just a buzzword, it's a responsibility. So there you have it. The future of SEO is here, and it's powered by AI hyper-personalization and a commitment to quality content. Remember, Google is constantly evolving, so staying ahead of the curve is crucial for maintaining your search rankings and reaching your target audience. Embrace the power of AI Optimize for those zero-click searches, and never underestimate the importance of human-centric, EEAT-compliant content. The digital landscape is changing, but with the right strategies in place, you can ride the wave of innovation and achieve SEO success in 2025 and beyond. Get started today.